Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching with me, Mr. Donald. Well, in this video, I'm going to instruct you how to improve your speaking skills. Well, in this case, I'm going to tell you a short story related to the use of simple present tense, modal can, and present continuous tense. Well, to improve your speaking skills, you must listen to me carefully and try to memorize. Because after this, I'm going to ask you some questions about the story. Well, please listen and repeat after me. Mr. Robert Jones, Inspector Robert Jones is a detective. He lives near a library. Inspector Jones is in the library now. He is talking to Miss Green. Miss Green is the librarian. Inspector Robert Jones is looking for a good book. He is wondering the murderer's name. He is wondering what the murderer's name is. But Miss Green cannot tell him about it because she is the librarian. She is not a detective. Okay? Do you still remember? Please listen again and repeat to improve your speaking skills. Okay. Inspector Robert Jones is a detective. He lives near a library. Inspector Jones is in the library now. He is looking for a good book. He is talking to Miss Green. Miss Green is the librarian. Inspector Robert Jones is asking what the murderer's name is. But Miss Green cannot tell him about it because she is not a detective. She is the librarian. She is a librarian. Okay? Do you still remember the story? You should be able to memorize and retell the story. And you should have partners to practice your English and to reproduce conversation based on the story. Now, please answer my questions. Question number 1. Is Inspector Robert Jones a detective? Question number 2. Does he live near a library? The next question. Is he in the library now? What is he doing there? Is he looking for a good book? Is he talking to Miss Green? Is Miss Green a detective? What is her job? Is she a librarian? Can she tell him the murderer's name? Alright. Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.